If you've been playing around with sharps and flats, then you may have noticed something interesting. Take the note D, and now play D sharp. Now let's play E, and find E flat. You notice that not only is it the same key, they also sound the same. Here's D sharp, and here is E flat. In fact, when you write them on the staff, here's D sharp, and here's E flat, they look completely different, but they sound the same. If two notes sound the same, but can be written differently, then they're called enharmonic notes. Now, there are some cases where you would want to use D sharp as opposed to E flat, and as we go into the future chapters, this will become more evident. But for now, what you need to know is that there are many, many cases of enharmonic notes. We just did D sharp and E flat. You also have C sharp and D flat, F sharp and G flat, G sharp and A flat, A sharp and B flat. So many, many combinations. And again, in some instances, the sharps will be appropriate, in some instances, the flats will be appropriate. There's going to be a lot of cases in music theory where you have to use, where there can be different ways of saying something, and it's almost like using correct grammar. In some cases you want to use one thing, in other cases you want to use another. And again, as we go into future chapters, this will become more evident, but for right now, do some practice with this, and we'll talk about it a little bit more later.